Today we're making John John Dog Burger Bowls. This homemade beef dog food is a treat meal that your dog will love. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Make sure to have our dog-friendly sweet potatoes made ahead of time. Recipe is linked in the description. Form 1 pound of grass-fed beef into 8 patties and flatten them. If you want to make them larger if you have a larger dog, you can also do that, but I find it difficult to make these smaller than 8. Put a large skillet over medium-high heat. Cook the burgers for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Chop an orange bell pepper into small pieces. Make sure to give your dog a few pieces as they help you in the kitchen, as bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C and are a great veggie for dogs. Add the sweet potato fries, burger patty, and a couple spinach leaves and orange pepper to a bowl. While this looks like a delicious burger bowl, you can give your dog pieces of it like this, but it's best to cut it up into small bites so they can easily eat it. John John always tries to dig in before I've done this, as he's helping me in the kitchen. Once you chop everything, mix it up, and you have homemade beef dog food. This beef dog food has omega-3s, iron, and vitamin E from the ground beef, vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants from bell peppers and spinach, and healthy carbs that's easy on their tummy from sweet potatoes, along with B vitamins from the nutritional yeast topping on the fries. This is a complete meal for your dog. We know your fur baby will love this homemade beef dog food as much as John John does. If you want more dog recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us next time in the kitchen.